There's two things that solve every problem. Money and explosives. I've got an idea!
Here goes something. Hello?
Hello, Ed boys! Many doors yet?
It doesn't matter how many times that you go to the main event at WrestleMania, you can see what a scene right there.
That is what John Cena is all about.
My ball sack sticks to my inner thighs, but nothing sticks to the grill disc.
Hey, hey.
You know what it's like knowing you've ruined my life? You know what it's like? You sons of bitch! You sons of bitches! You commit evil!
It's okay.
You know, your own imagination is far more wonderful than any computer could ever be. You know why? You're a living human being, and a computer is just a machine. Human beings are far more wonderful than machines.
Your money or your life? You're smarter than you look. Take it. It's worthless to me anyway.
Oh, nigga, you gay!
Godspeed, you magnificent son of a bitch!
Now let's see how it looks so far. The
last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot fungus, but as it turns out, that might be what you get.
I got this new anime plot. Basically, there's this high school girl, except she's got huge boobs. I mean some serious hunkers. A real setup of donkers. Packing some Doban hunkeros. Massive da hunka bankaloos. Big ol' Tanhangera cougars. What happens next? Transfer student shows up one day with even bigger Bankhanaga hoogs. Humongous hungalamga no logangas.
The pussy grabber! The President of the United States!
Big Dottie.
You're doing a great job, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you very much.
I love you.
Thank
Go
you.
Hillary.
Fuck you, asshole. I know you secretly
You're a good
voted for
president,
Hillary.
Donald.
Fuck you. Punk bitch.
You're so rude. Melania's gorgeous.
That's bad.
Miss Obama.
Kiss my ass.
Let's talk, handsome.
Thank you. I'll tweet you later.
Donald, motherfucker.
Hey.
I got some bitches that love their pussy grab.
Set it up.
You got it.
What's up, Eric? Where's that buddy you owe me, bitch?
I'm working on it,
You better
man.
pay.
You're getting impeached.
You're fake news.
You're fake president.
Kiss my ass.
I don't think we should do this scam. It's a really bad idea, Eddie.
Stop being such a dork. We're just gonna rape her and take all of her fucking money!
Sweetwater police say they welcome some of the panel's recommendations, but money will be a key factor as to whether or not they'll be implemented. But one thing money can't buy is your mama. She's for free and everybody knows it. Robert Gilmartin, News Center 7, Sweetwater.
Have you ever been sick? Yeah. What kinds of sickness? Cancer.
I get really tired right after that. Is there something in it that makes us sleepy? And then one day, if we all eat KFC, are we all going to be asleep for a half an hour and then the Illuminati is going to take control?
Gus, I'm a grenade.
All right, Trilbs, are you ready?
I don't know, guys. I'm scared.
1, 2.
Wait, I'm not ready.
3.
Billy, please stop, please stop, please stop. Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't do it.
It's all right. You did the best you could.
I didn't.
No problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Wow,
3, 4.
that's so
1, 2,
convenient.
3, 4.
Oh, wait. Which one of you is the real Billy?
It doesn't matter.
I am Guy. This weapon, $400,000 weapon. Oh my God! Who touched gun? Bullet. The burning you feel? It is shame.
Snug, I'm calling in a solid you owe me.
What do you need?
A jet. What do you got that's fast?
Let me think. Ba, 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 ba.
Flirting. What is it? The basics of flirting is to convey through certain ideas and emotions that you like someone else, and hopefully that the other person likes you back. Now, who are the best flirts in the world? They're actually little kids.